Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание, урок 18, часть 1, страница 38, 39, 40, 41. English. Starlight for homework, lesson number 18, part number 1, page number 38, 39, 40, 41. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 38. 38. Our school. Exercise number 1. Match the shape to the instrument. Наша школа. Соедини формы с инструментами. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, xylophone, triangle, wood block, maracas, drum. The answer E, S, B, A, E. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Listen and choose. Violin, xylophone, drum, wood block, guitar, maracas, piano, triangle. The answer B, A, A, A. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Make your own drum. Form a band. Get together with your classmates. Создай свой собственный барабан. Сформируй группу. Объединись со своими одноклассниками. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 39. 39. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Сказки троллей. Послушай и прочитай историю. Nice flowers. Are they for me? No, they are for Mog. Who's Mog? My friend. She's from Troll Town. She's beautiful. Mog is my friend. No, she isn't. Yes, she is. Hello, boys. This is my friend Hugo. We're going to a party. Bye. The answer. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 40. 40. In town. Exercise number 1. Listen, point, and repeat. Post office. Greengrocers. Bakers. Butchers. Bank. Hotel. Police station. Supermarket. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Post office. Bakers. Butchers. Greengrocers. Police station. Bank. Hotel. Supermarket. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and answer. Прочитай и ответь. Где ты можешь купить мяч, купить хлеб, купить морковь, купить мясо? the bakers, the greengrocers, the butchers. Where can you buy a book at the toy shop? Where can you buy a bag? Where can you buy a Let's play. May I have a ball, please? Here you are, thank you. You are at the toy shop. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 41. 41. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Jumper, jeans, scarf, cap, coat, gloves, pajamas, slippers, 1 penny, 2 pence, 1 pound. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Color the S words red, the C words green, and the J words blue. Разукрась слова с S красным, C зеленым, с J синим. S slipper, skirt, scarf. C coat, cap. J jacket, jumper, jeans. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Look again, read and find the clues. Посмотри снова, прочитай и найди одежду. The 38 pounds and 60 pence. It's 7 pounds and 25 pence. The 21 pounds and 10 pence. It's 13 pounds and 50 pence. It's 20 pounds. The answer: a cap, slippers, a scarf, skirt. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow.